draw a rectangle and round your corners. Then change the fill to black. Let's put a circle on top. You're going to change that fill to white. I'm actually going to change the corner of this. Double click on your circle, grab the anchor points, and drag it up until you get this weird, ugly, dripping shape. You're going to make your shape a little bit bigger, and stretch the anchor points until you're happy with your shape. Let's make another circle on top, center it, and change the fill to black. I'm going to open my favorite plugin for Figma, Icon Duck, and type in Home. That looks good. Search for Fire, Flame, and Setting. Settings. Can't spell. That looks good. Space them out. And then I like to take my icons out of the Icon Duck folders and move them up. When you have a group like that, you can make it one vector by pressing Command E. Alright. Now you're going to move your house into the circle to find the right size. I'm going to pull my icon out and then resize my other icons so they are the same size. Those look good. I hid my group, and now I'm going to put my icons into the rectangle and make all of them white. You can tidy them up and then adjust the margins between them and then center them. You can turn your group back on and move the house up into the center of the group. That looks good. Now we're going to change the fill of the house to an orange color. Select the whole group and frame the selection. Let's name this frame Home. Option drag down to make a second frame. Let's name this one Fire. Move the flame icon up to match the house. Move the group over into the center of the fire. Move the house down to match the settings icon. Change the fill to white. Change that fill to yellow. Option and drag again to make another one. Name this one Settings. Move your group over to the settings icon. Move your icon up. Change the fills. And move that one down. Grab all of your frames and make a component set. Switch to the prototype panel. Click on your icon and drag it to the next frame. Your settings are going to be on tap, Smart Animate, Gentle at 800 milliseconds. Move your component off of the frame, go to the settings panel, and add in your component. Now let's play your animation. And that's how you make the animated menu bar in Figma. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks.